How to create sample issue in Businet. Users can create sample issue after selection of a requirement area and requisition number. Once the requisition number is selected, the items will be auto-populated, and then the users can fill the mandatory fields such as issued quantity, cost price, etc. Once document is approved, users can generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.